asem bi yewia na eno ano no me ba cho oba share because within 15 minutes I'm going off.
What
What is that boy kakra? Agwase. Okay, for those of you saying and asking, say, when am I coming on radio? I don't know. To be honest with you, I can promise you, say, radio no. Mona ese mo decided. Say, me samra back on radio, and as I say, me aha, because radio ni there. And conform when they say ink woman home, so they will come. But let me go straight to the point. Gogu, as someone person be addressing, say sound in the year, more country me. Sound in the year, more country. O say,
clear, more country.
Yeah, just the mechanic there. Come mechanic key. What I want.
You cannot matter someone else.
Yes, I have a kind of profile. And clear. Okay, so chief of staff go is here. But Bono. Very quick one. Nana Addo Akufo, the president of the republic. What I must be me and I will be the same video we be send the work
Thank you.
Trying to be cost war my way more. It needs to stop. Yatsina Kroma 2012. 2016, yet to about that time now MPP move opposition.
Thank you.
Emma a year Collins down the new naba a Gina radio so say
yeah
ono de okum nipa da bia go guy
make up okay
ye mu bi ye witness what happened. Look me call a year a kolebu konfanoche kuma say konfanoche G G me and Kasama Konta are a friend of Collins. Sometimes a certificate north.
Thank you.
Yet you can't go for second and when we tell you beer Collins da Falcon more than a year 2, 3, 4 months. And son with me, sorry. Time a mobile a year a bam. I was thinking that Sam Matano and Kamube taking it up. One fee, Shibwada, aha, go Shibwada. Me grante Collins interview on Happy FM Mesheda. Mesheda. Na me pese Ghana mpanimfo no a ye betwa ba mudi nsemu no anki ye carry no on ye take him on. Even Collins Dowda. As obi amua. Ye tena 2017. Ye tena 2018. Ye tena 2019. And ye baba to 2020 aba. Ye womu. Now, and an another human rights activist, and another human rights activist par excellence, media minimum and go for better baby. No, I catch another lawyer, and you must lawyer no or ye. Lawyer need my pack.
Esquire. Esquire. Esquire.
So we were expecting, say, and Nanado as the president of the republic, and Kiebetwa Berry, na enyeme bi enkoso. Now even say a kosua, aka by now the president of the republic, you know, and were commenting on it. Yet now hama you can say registration. Banda. Yekun Abranche be the president till now has not commented on it. To me, it's wrong. To me, it's wrong. We cannot continue like that. Anywhere in this country, we cannot. Yatina Krom has said, my atua berry, any patre ya bo mutuo kuomo. President in commentary. President, the quiet.
What time do you mean? I'm
got to ask you.
I don't came of for sure. One way be a come.
Oh, got to ask you.
We are talking.
It's your best president and we cannot continue to allow political violence and political killings go unpunished in this country simply because if we continue to allow political violence and political crimes to go unpunished in this country. Remember, Yako Yanimono, Ghana for Bebrani Tio, Bedu Baby, will be the worse than what we are saying. Now you move away from that topic because we will meet him when I'm a because now you call the topic of a year independent candidate. Papa Wadarma, and you made a new Kobakra.
China, but why in a class only a dinko?
Yes, a bit more. I said I'm no dinko. Network in your okay, me boy, I said I'm no dinko. Now, question I use for Mena MP is for Mena MPA. Already, I'm a question. It's a wood dear. Would deeper a year history books my one partner. If you are saying that you want to do something, so your nature in its own common sense has brought you to this point. A history. There is no way from Kwame Nkrumah pencil. Ebesi eye General Kwesi Amankwa Afrifa pencil, General Ankramo pencil, ebesi eye Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo papa, Owura Edward Akufo-Addo, ene eye your friend say Kofi Abrefa Buzia 1972. Eba ya besi eye 1979. Ignatius Kutua Champon mo pencil, JJ Rollins ba ye PNDC 79. Ignatius Kutua Champon SMC 1, SMC 2, FWK Akufomo, Edeba Yabesi, 1992. There is no point in our history, and a yenya elections, MPP kura the same, NDC kura the same. This is the point. Ghana for Nsua frase. Baby, I doing the only time our MPP and NDC bet together. A time when Moko Cheskedi, Escracia, one bet together, and she acquire quite Debbie. Yama, a year one more Sabio, a pen for Moda Farm Hospital, Papa, NDC be opposite, MPP be opposite, and Sabasi and Koto Mupe Mudia, they will come together.
Thank you.
It's in Yakupon Pipe with tear or my Ghana, and they say. Ya two about for the first time MPP could the same, NDC could the same. Senen Yakupon Pesa will Ujina on the ticket of MPP, Ankawan Kawamu Amoma Pamo, Wamo Pamo.
That's what you
Wamo Pamo and Yakupon and Rodo or Seda Okoya Wakako Wini. Obi anti political party be a name of Ghana first. And the person who do but history books, it's history books in our Bamunity. So person for me now for junior development here, TNA ba. Afe wo be president of a parliament. Obi aka chiro se be join MPP tie wan ko bi okura after this election wan ko bi o ana ye two kura why your history and your name will be in the history books of this country for life.
Thank you.
Tiemie. Papa Maseno, me kama Maseno na antia. Ko bi se akua friye akrokyere me ware ni nua ketewa enti menim dia me kama Maseno.
Thank you Nana.
Wo bia ba se braba join ne ye aka kire se wate time wana woto na MPP fo pamo no no mu nim se obetimi awini a akoma pamo na nyakupo nim de oba be ye ene se ba se tienie baba wadaroma tienie eba se MPP ni NDC eba be shemre bia wo parliament onyina kwantem kro.
Thank you.
Now with the development be ko for me na Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic, can say ultimately independent candidate to be a judgment.
Thank you.
Now ultimately on judgment, the obetimi ayedi aboa for me na foni gina okwanten kro. Ye be shemra hwebabi abebo my Ghana. Independent. Neka kire wo mo se mo pese me boa ma sa amra we medim kokromotika ho a mo mfa kwan na eda for me na mo konkon ye mo ye wi a medim kokromoti beka ho.
Thank you.
Yes. Mo kan kire for me na MP ni se me say opese development ba eye for me na de obetimi aye ne se mo join MPP mo join NDC wonyina kwanten kro no wonyina kwanten kro ade beboa no nie se hospital a wo for me na ye nyanya yi a se wo mo pese ode ne nsa hye mrase a on kan kire wo mo se mo nkoye hospital na ye for me na ne nwie mo ma no eye presidential ye kan say assent professor gaze assentation President assign it.
Me go kana go ti a face. But I was saying na yeah.
Oh, the Michelle. It is a base or be a development bar. And here may be so much of Papa. You can change the dynamics of politics in this country and you will become a hero in this country. Say maybe by say history books and maybe by 9 people were 137 and these were 137. Near what Nipa Bakupa parliament and one yes Sabio independent candidate. Nekobasi a Shemra, a true baby of a Shemrana, or Banagana for Bedim Komo, or granted interviews, Magana for Candy or Uncle Quiet Channel. Yes. That's what I want. Who was all the history books? Who was all the some Bamuna Sabi, ministerial appointment? Can you say on my penny a Kufor pencil, or my penny JJ pencil, or my woman or we ministers, but baby and I and Kaomo. We don't even remember them. But your name will forever remain in the history books that there was a point in our history. And Nanipa Bakupe, a independent candidate, a final decider. President Tibianjo Kruim. Now, the various constituencies in this country will begin to find the need to vote for independent candidates. If we say, so what Chinabi, what would himself go with the development of Bafomena based on your voter, or move to Obama independent candidate, say, Bassa, you make a decision about the development of constituencies. Eti mesrawa wadaruma sese aso ubetie mi amasepa no ese ama masepa na no ubetie mi a bisa ku afrie me fra ku afie ka kire ne se won kan kire wo se enkwa pipi nkwa ndisi yedim se pipi na afrie pipi ne empel wo mo empel wo mo empel ene ya ase nwanwa ene ya ase sebi odi otimi yenti ene tumi ekura wonti ane ye beba ye po acho ene ombema imamfo asofo ombema enko di obedi ewuo uwo baby adi utiri beto uwo ede ya na ahwe wi ase dia ka ye dinje ebetimi abase se oye we na ye ni ye kura no Ghana fo na bebo abongo aboamo edwakọ.
Thank you.
President go betimi adi we ya betimi adi president wo my Ghana ni se nkrofo na adwinu mabie nkrofo na adwinu mabie nkrofo ya ha tiase etmesrew aso betie me dia enkwa MPP dia nyina ne dia NDC dia nyina ne dia na so ne ye pese wo ye bibi different now di ba history books mo ti kwa MPP enkwa NDC. Be the hero Ghanaians want you to be. Yenim se akoba say katasu mu asokoto nkra ni bi baba ombeba wa hede emuamo me catch on so bi ba mena tia asem a me kan ya ka bebo ono a
4 years we be awie
4 years we di wie na for mena for so mo mpa wa wo ye di nyankopɔ pe me so di wie na for mena for se mpa wa udi beba history books mbeba baabi no ye mani na no beba besia wo betie ma asem a me ka bebo and the juicy contract ni ade ba bro no and the minister ade ya na awie wi ase ewunyae si ebe ma minister ke ba 4 years edi kan ke ma minister ya ma minister na ofisa wo nsem fata minister no o say
omunim no ya nti na omo sabotage no kwa man ko independence omunim no na serious kenimo wa ko independence wi
abebra ba ju di Ghana
ye Ghana for ye masses na ne ye
ade ai
ye di no masses si ye de be kan na o di akwa ma ye afi no ye hero.
Hey, we did about history books to over ministerial appointment 24/7. You have to think about
it.
So, for the first time in the history of this country, 24/7, the system will work.
Thank you.
And you are the only person who can make the system work 24/7. It's your best. Your best.
Thank you.
Your best.
Thank you.
There is a reason here. Nyankopon nature rema MPP for pamo war and sana wo kwa ko wini. Na reason tin so a e ba say MPP wo pepepe na NDC wo pepepe. E bi say nature person wo ya big. Odwene ho e beboa wo.
Thank you.
Odwene ho e beboa pa. So